Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name.
Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video, we're at Southwest Steel Construction, and we're taking a look at their setup, which was installed for both security and safety purposes, and involves a whopping 22 cameras. This setup includes a variety of cameras, including bullet cameras, turret cameras, and one TIOC camera. These cameras are all serving different purposes on the site. The camera used to cover the entrance to the site is a TIOC camera. This is an active deterrent camera, which has both a siren and flashing lights, which will be set off once anything comes within a certain distance of it, with the customer having the ability to arm and disarm it. Turret cameras are used on the interior of the workshops for both security and staff and visitor safety, covering all areas and workspaces within the interior. Bullet cameras were used to cover all exterior areas and the yards on the site. Once again, for both security and health and safety, this will cover all vehicle movement and movement of goods around the site, as well as any other comings and goings. Then to monitor the system, there are two monitors in the offices, one on a desk and the other in a communal desk area. The system is also accessible through the smartphone app.